Do you ever like cut your hair really short? Like do you ever like just get moments where you just really want to change with your hairstyle and you cut it really, really short? Like either a pixie haircut or just shaved at the side and everything else, and it looks cool and stuff, but then you get really bored after a few months and you want to grow your hair back out. Growing your hair back out is a nightmare. I don't really have that problem. My hair is pretty long and it actually needs a good haircut. But I'm not here to talk about my hair. I'm going to tell you guys a few great tips that's going to help you get your hair growing luscious, long, and just beautiful. Alright guys, so how does hair actually grow? So hair is made up of proteins and it's grown from blood cells in your scalp, which then pushes the hair from the follicle through the skin and gives you really nice, long, beautiful hair. And once the hair is growing, it's basically dead cells now, so if it does get damaged, you really cannot repair it. So it's really important to trim your hair regularly. I should really take my own advice, Christina, and look after your hair as best as you can. So in this next section, I'm going to talk about some DIY remedies that you can do at home, so you're not going to break the bank. It's really affordable, and you know, it's natural. So the first one is onion juice, and onion juice contains sulfur, which really helps with hair loss and really promotes that hair growth that we're after. And this in turn helps your scalp produce collagen, which is going to protect your skin on your head basically, and it's going to help your hair grow thicker and longer. So all you gotta do is grab a couple of onions, chop them up into little pieces, squeeze out the juice. There's going to be lots of crying here, guys, I'm sure. And onions affect me so much. Make sure you filter through the onions as well, because you don't want any like big massive chunks of onion in your hair basically. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to massage the onion juice, which sounds a really bizarre thing to do, in your head, and then leave it there for a couple of minutes and then rinse it out. Adding this to your scalp twice a day is really, really effective at, you know, getting your hair to speed up growing. Okay, so the next DIY remedy is lemon juice. Lemon juice helps your scalp create the collagen again, which is going to help your hair grow faster. You can add pure lemon juice to your scalp about 15 to 30 minutes before you're going to be washing your hair. And you can also make a hair mask with pure aloe vera gel mixed with the lemon juice, mix all together. Place it on your hair for for 15 to 30 minutes, and then wash off with your usual shampoo and conditioner routine. Alright, the next remedy is rice water. So rice water contains amino acids and the vitamins B and C, which is going to keep the skin on your head healthy. It's going to strengthen the hair, and it's also going to promote that hair growth. So you can use rice water in a couple of different ways. So you can just boil up your rice, and the water that's left behind, that kind of starchy, cloudy water, you can keep that and massage it into your hair, and you can leave it there because rice water actually cleanses the hair, so there's no need to even rinse it out. You can also just pop the rice into a bowl and use twice the amount of water to the rice portion and leave it there for 30 minutes. And when the 30 minutes is up, you can then drain the water and then place the rice water on your head. Alright guys, so the best products to use for hair growth. So sometimes we just can't be bothered with the DIY thing, or maybe it just doesn't feel like the right choice for you. I mean, I'm not going to judge. So I'm going to be sharing with you some really great products you can use to stimulate the hair growth. Alright guys, so caffeine-based shampoos and conditioners. The caffeine can help boost hair growth as it helps produce more APT hormones, which battles the DHT hormones. I mean, I would just not remember any of that. That's why I'm reading this, which that cause the hair loss. The next one is peppermint oil, and that is going to boost the blood circulation in your scalp, and that is going to promote the hair growth. So you can add like a couple of drops to your shampoo, or a little just directly to your head. The next one is coconut oil. Coconut oil is great because it really helps to penetrate the shaft. I don't know, I find that funny. And help keep the proteins in your hair. Oh, move on. Fish oil supplements, okay? Fish oil supplements are great because they are filled with nutrients and proteins that help with overall body health and stimulate the hair growth. Next is pumpkin seed oil supplements. Sorry, I'm moving all the way over here because I'm reading. Pumpkin seed oil supplements are perfect for hair growth as they help battle the DHT hormones that cause hair loss. So that's similar again to the caffeine that we were talking about at the start. And then finally, aloe vera based products. They can help stimulate hair growth as it helps smooth the scalp and remove dandruff and excess oils, which could be slowing down your hair growth. So there you have it. There are some really great products to look out for to really help, you know, help your hair grow, but also keep your hair. I sound like a farmer in Ireland. Keep your hair healthy. So guys, there you have it. A few tips on how to DIY your hair growth naturally at home. I hope some of these tips are helpful to you. Have you tried any of these before? If you have, let me know your results down below. Is there any of these that you want to try? Also, let me know down below. Basically, experiment, have fun. At the end of the day, it's not going to grow overnight, so we have to have a little bit of patience, which I do not have with anything. But yeah, just a little bit of patience and a little bit of tweaking in your hair routine, and you will have a long set of hair before you know it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will stick around and subscribe for my next videos. I will see you super soon. Have an amazing day, guys.